안녕하세요. 오늘 공부해요. Listen, 듣고, repeat after me. 따라 하세요. 느, 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 르, 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 무, 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 으, 으, 굿, 좋아요. Look at here. When you say 느, your tongue position is here. So when you say 느, the sound from your nose. 느, 느, 느. So it is similar alphabet. 느, nose, 느. So it looks like your nose. 느. So when you say 르, your tongue position is almost the same as 스 position. But when you say 르, your touch tongue first here and take it off. 르. So when you say 르, your tongue touch here and take it off. 르. So when you say radio, radio, 라면, 라떼, 나라. So you can make a song. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. So when you say 무, your tongue position, it doesn't matter your tongue position, you use your lips. So when you say 무, it sounds from your nose. 무. So it is similar alphabet. 무, man, 무. So when you say also it doesn't matter your tongue position, it sounds from back of your nose. But has two different sounds. First, so when you say as the first of letter, for example, I. It's same as I. Same sound. But when we write Hangul, we need ing. So I'll give an example. 아이가 사요. 아이가 사요. So when you write Hangul, we need ing. So it's the same meaning, same sound. So 아이가 사요. So when you write something, so we need ing. And we have a second sound ing. So for example, 강. So when the ing, the last of the letter, it sounds similar. 강. So when you say 강, your tongue position is similar alphabet 그. 강. So when you say 강, so it is a similar position is 그, 강, 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 강. So you practice is in, it's two different sounds. So when it's first letter, in, just the same sound, vowels. But when you use the last of letter, it's example like 강, it sounds similar, 응. So 강, 공, 응. So it's similar, sound, So I will say first, you listen and repeat after me. 느, 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 르, 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 무, 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 으, 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 음, Good. How do you write? 선생님, 써요. 여러분, 써요. 느, 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 르, 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 무, 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 으, 으, 으. Good. I have a card. Look at here and read this. 느, 르, 무, 으. Good. Today is done. 오늘 수업은 여기까지예요. Practice in your home and see you next time. Bye.
느, 느,